Hi everyone. For this holiday kids cook, we are going to be doing Valentine's Day treats.
Yay!
Because Valentine's Day is just around the corner.
Yay!
So we have some fun treats to make today. We are going to make heart-shaped pizzas. Oh, I'm sorry. This is Hartley.
Hi, I'm Hartley.
Say hello to our friends.
Hi. Giddy up.
I didn't introduce you. I feel so bad.
It's okay.
We're going to make some heart-shaped pizzas and Cupid's crunch. Okay, so the pizzas are very simple. I went ahead and I bought pizza dough from the store. We will cover the store's name, but I bought pizza dough. I rolled it out and I took my heart-shaped cookie cutter and I made little heart shapes with the dough.
Delish.
Yeah, and then, can you see this? It's kind of at a weird angle. I don't want it to slide off, but there you go. So I put a little sauce on top, and I'm gonna add a little Parmesan. There's no specific amount. I made 6 little pizzas with my dough, but there's plenty of dough left over for more pizza. And more pizza is always better. And we are gonna add just a little bit of Parmigiano. There we go. And that's it. There's your little pizza, little heart-shaped pizza, and this is how it comes out.
That is so easy.
Isn't that cute? Yeah. Okay, so the Cupid's Crunch, oh, there, I'm out of the frame there. Cupid's Crunch has popcorn, 1 bag of microwave popcorn.
Sorry.
And that's okay. I picked red M&Ms. Some lovely nonpareils, sprinkles of all sorts.
Look at all those.
What else did I leave out? Oh, we have to use candy melts, and we're using pink candy melts. Ooh, you want to try one? Oh no, it's gonna be fuzzy now. Make sure you comb your horse's hair before you start this recipe.
Yes.
And here is the popcorn, which I popped already. And so you're gonna want to pop your popcorn and let it cool off. And put it in a 13x9 pan, so when you mix it, you can get it all in there, incorporate it. So I am going to go ahead and melt my cup of candy melts in this nice microwave bowl. And it takes, it's about a minute or 2, but you got to keep on testing it, mixing it and stirring it. It depends on your microwave. So I'm going to go ahead and melt these, and I'm going to come back, okay? See you soon. Hi, we're back.
Hi.
I just wanted to show you, I think I might have shown you this already, but this is how the Cupid's Crunch comes out. So you can give this for gifts, right?
Crunch, crunch, crunch. Oh, yeah.
Hartley?
Oh, yeah.
You know, when it comes around to Valentine's Day, you can give it for gifts. You can eat the whole pan if you want. You might be sick, though. Okay, so I'm throwing that over to the side. It took me 2.5 minutes to melt these lovely candy melts.
That is so pink.
Yes, it is. It's super pink. So I am going to just dump it in there. Now I found when I was making the last batch that the M&Ms melted. So what you're gonna do is kind of put them on absolute last. Kind of making a mess here. Look at that.
Swirly.
Can you see it? Oh, it's so
Yeah.
pretty.
That is pretty.
So Hartley, tell me about your life.
Well, I grew up on Old MacDonald's farm. I don't know if you've ever heard of it. E-I-E-I-O. Yeah, that's where I grew up.
And how did you get your name?
Hartley, because I love to wear hearts in my hair, as you can see.
Were you possibly born on Valentine's Day?
And I was born on Valentine's Day.
That's so sweet.
Yeah, that is cool.
So you get the idea, Hartley. We're just gonna put these pink candy melts all over that popcorn.
Yeah.
All right. And we are going to take our lovely pink sprinkles.
Yay.
And we're gonna sprinkle them on. Ooh, I think I might have put too much. Did I put too much, Hartley?
No.
So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna stir this. Oh, you know what I forgot?
What?
I forgot the pretzels. Can you go grab the pretzels for me, Hartley? You're gonna put some pretzels in there too for a certain bit of crunch. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna break them up just a little bit before I start.
Ooh. Delish.
So we're just going to mix that in there too. Now, if you don't have any nut allergies, you might want to put some nuts in this too.
Oh, peanuts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That'll be a good addition.
Mm.
The only downside of this recipe is that those pink candy melts, they're very bright and they're hard to get off your bowls, but we'll do okay with it.
Yeah.
So look how pretty that is.
Ooh.
Now we're just going to add the finishing touch. We're going to add some red M&Ms. Now when Valentine's Day is out, Hartley, there's lots of pink ones too, so you might want to add the pink ones.
Mm.
But you want to add these before the candy melts get hard.
Mm-hmm.
Now, with my last batch, I put it in the fridge to cool off. Probably about 15 minutes. And once it's cool, it's ready to eat. So I am, are you gonna try a bite?
No, but I will after.
You're cute. Okay, I didn't mention that with the heart pizzas, that the oven has to be 400 degrees and it should be cooked for about 15 minutes until it's light brown on top.
That's not too long.
No, it's not long at all, and I think it would be a nice way to have like lunch or dinner on Valentine's Day for the kids.
Mm-hmm.
I think the kids would like making them too.
Mm-hmm.
So enjoy your Valentine's Day. Make some of this lovely, bright, and yummy Cupid's Crunch and have your pizzas first, of course. Right, Hartley?
Yeah.
Eat your healthy food first.
Yes.
And enjoy your Valentine's Day. And if you happen to make this recipe, post it with this post on our Facebook page. And we'd love to see how it came out.
Yeah.
You want to say goodbye to our friends?
Bye, everybody. Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you so much for coming today and have a great day, everyone.